Hey, good morning, everybody. Today is Monday, January 4th, 2016. Happy New Year. My name is Cliff Backus, and this is your PushButtonStockTrading.com daily video market review. Much of what we do at Push Button Stock Trading is based in part or in full on William O'Neill's classic book, How to Make Money in Stocks. O'Neill utilizes the acronym CAN-SLIM to identify the important elements of what he's looking for in a trade. The A in CAN-SLIM stands for annual earnings and reminds us that we should be looking for stocks that have an average of at least 25% annual earnings growth over the past 3 to 5 years. The L in CAN-SLIM stands for leader or laggard. It's important that we identify where the leadership in the market is. To that end, we use HGSI, High Growth Stock Investors Spectrum Analyzer, to identify market leadership on a daily basis. So let's get started with that. Thursday, of the top 100 most powerful stocks in the most powerful industry groups, 8 came from midstream oil, 7 came from specialty pharmaceutical, 6 came from biotech, 6 came from application software, including NetEase. NetEase is on our universal watch list, and as you can see, it recently broke out of this second stage base. Actually, it broke out of this second stage base back in the middle of November. NetEase gets a 72% checklist rating, and the pivot point was 54.88. Getting back to our Spectrum Analyzer. Rounding out the top 5, we have marine shipping and internet media, both with 5 stocks each out of the top 100 most powerful stocks in the most powerful industry groups. Just a note in internet media, Qhoo and Weibo are both on our universal watch list. I want to start today by taking a quick look at the Russell 2000. We've been watching the Russell 2000 because I think the Russell is the key to the market going forward here. The Russell's been struggling with support resistance down here in the 1141 area, and you'll notice that, on Thursday, we again undercut that area. It'll be important to see if the Russell can hold this trend line support. In order for me to get more bullish about the market, I would want to see the Russell take out resistance up here in the 1205 area without taking out this area, which is its prior low. Let's take a look at what the NASDAQ Composite's up to. But before we do, according to our market timing model, we're on a margin signal. A margin signal is our most aggressively bullish signal and indicates that aggressive traders can leverage their portfolios utilizing margin. More conservative traders should be working toward fully invested. Please keep in mind, our market timing signal is a mechanical signal as we try to make all of our strategies at Push Button. And as such, sometimes it seems to be out of phase with what appears to be happening in the market. Personally, I wouldn't want to be utilizing margin right now. Markets ended 2015 with a whimper, closing down on the last trading session of the year on heavier trading volume, giving us a distribution day. For the year, the NASDAQ advanced 5.7%, while the S&P 500 lost 0.7%. That was its first yearly loss since 2008. New lows bettered new highs, and according to our Ramosi ratio, large capitalization stocks bettered small Thursday, continuing to outperform on a 10-day moving average basis. Small caps typically outperform in bull markets. Okay, NASDAQ on Thursday, last trading day of the year, was down 58.54 points or 1.15%. We closed at 5,007, holding the psychologically important 5,000 level. But we closed at the very low of the day. Also of significance is we closed above the 200-day moving average, which we show here in black. Trading volume was heavier than the prior day, giving us a distribution day for you followers of William O'Neill, We are currently in a confirmed uptrend in the market. We have been since December 17th, but we have 3 distribution days, which is quite a bit of distribution for that short period of time that we've been in the confirmed uptrend. Looking at the NASDAQ, we see that we're bracketed by support down here in the 4,900 area and resistance up here in the 5,164 range. We're watching support here at the 200-day moving average. Our market timing signal on the NASDAQ is currently on a margin signal, but as noted earlier, I wouldn't want to be leveraging my portfolio at this point. Let's take a look at the S&P 500. The S&P Thursday was down 19.42 points or 0.94%. We closed at 2043. Note how we held support down here in the 2044 area. We'll see if we can continue to hold that area of support. But importantly, we undercut the 200-day moving average. Anytime the market is trading below its 200-day moving average, it's a cause for concern. Trading volume on Thursday, was higher than the prior day, giving us a distribution day. The S&P is currently in a confirmed uptrend, has been since December 12th. But we have 3 distribution days, and that's a lot of distribution, indicating that we should probably be a little bit cautious at this point. Right now, the S&P 500 is bracketed by support down here in the 2044 area and resistance up here in the 2134 range. But we've been in this little mini downtrend, and until we break out of that downtrend, I'm not going to have a lot of faith in this market going forward. That's about all I have for today. If you want to talk about any of the stocks mentioned today or any of our market strategies, please feel free to give me a call, drop me an email, or make an appointment. Come by the office, see what we're up to. Contact information is on the home page. Please take a minute to go to our subscription page and subscribe to Push Button Stock Trading. You can also follow us on Twitter at PushButtonStock. Again, my name is Cliff Backus. That's your daily video market review. Have a safe and profitable day. Keep your stops in place, and I will see you again tomorrow. Please stay tuned for our important disclaimers. All the best. Disclaimers. Push Button Stock Trading Video Market Review is produced and edited by Clifford B. Backus. Mr. Backus is a Senior Vice President of Investments, Technical Analyst, Portfolio Manager, and Partner with the investment firm of Ohanneson Liqueurs, Incorporated. Video Market Review is produced solely for the benefit of our clients, friends, and colleagues. Anything written, stolen, and/or plagiarized in this publication is done without malice. Further, the analysis and opinions expressed in this publication are strictly those of the editor and not of Ohanneson Liqueurs, Incorporated, its affiliates, subsidiaries, or any of the officers or employees of Ohanneson Liqueurs, Inc. On that note, we submit the following. The analysis, calculations, and evaluations presented herein are based on data and assumptions Ohanneson Liqueurs, Incorporated believes to be accurate. Ohanneson Liqueurs, Incorporated makes no representation that such analysis or calculations are accurate or that such valuations represent levels at which actual trades may occur. This report has been prepared from original sources, except where otherwise noted, and data we believe to be reliable. Ohanneson Liqueurs, Inc., its affiliates and subsidiaries, and/or their officers and employees or their families may from time to time acquire, hold, or sell a position in the securities mentioned herein. Moreover, opinions may differ from one entity to the next. If we are used in connection with the purchase or sale of any security discussed in this report, we may act as principal for our own account or as agent for both the buyer and the seller. Push Button Stock Trading is dedicated to the education of friends, clients, and paid subscribers. Push Button Stock Trading is an information service only. The information provided herein is not to be construed as an offer to buy or sell stocks of any kind. Push-button stock trading is created to aid subscribers in making informed investment decisions based wholly or in part on technical analysis. It's possible that at this time or some subsequent date, the editors of push-button stock trading may own, buy, or sell the investments presented. All investors should consult a qualified professional before making any investment. The information provided has been obtained from sources deemed to be reliable, but it is not guaranteed as to the accuracy or completeness. The editors of push-button stock trading make every effort to provide timely information to subscribers, but cannot guarantee specific delivery times due to factors beyond our control.